Hello, outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Bruntmor Camping Cooking Set A7, a must-have for any camping adventure or home kitchen collection. This pre-seasoned cast iron set includes essential pots and pans, complete with Dutch ovens and lids, all designed for durability and versatility. Whether you're frying eggs, grilling vegetables, or stewing a hearty soup, this multifunctional set offers unparalleled heat retention, making it perfect for any culinary challenge. The cast iron skillet is ideal for sautéing and baking on the stovetop, while the Dutch ovens elevate your soups and stews to gourmet levels. Ready to use right out of the box, these pans are compatible with any cooktop, including induction, and can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees. Enhance your camping cookware collection with this ultimate kitchen accessory set, ensuring delicious meals during your outdoor adventures. So, gear up and elevate your cooking game with the Bruntmor Camping Cooking Set, where quality meets versatility in every meal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.